Hi guys, do you know how to express I will go to cinema after getting off work in Chinese? Besides saying 下课后我去看电影, today we will learn another way to say this sentence, which is used more frequently in native, okay? So firstly, we see how the structure is made of. When there is only one subject in the sentence, like just now, I will go to cinema after off the work. Only have one subject, I. Under this situation, the structure is subject plus verb 1 了 blah blah 就 verb 2, okay, only one subject. It means that the second action or situation will happen after the first one, which emphasizes the successive occurrence of two actions. Now let's look at some examples. Firstly, 王经理到了公司就开会。Firstly, Manager Wang arrives at the company and then have a meeting. Okay? The second example. 露西下了课就去图书馆. Emphasize going to library happens after finishing the class. The third one. 他们到了周末就骑行. Riding bike, this action happens when the weekends come. The fourth example. 妈妈起了床就做早餐. Mom firstly get up and then making breakfast. Now let's look at another situation when there are two subjects in a sentence. The structure will be subject 1 plus verb 1 了 blah blah, subject 2 plus 就 verb 2, okay? Let's see some examples. The first one. 爸爸到家了，我们就吃饭. Means we will have dinner after daddy gets home. The second example. 李经理到了办公室，我就告诉他. Means when Manager Lee arrives at the office, I will tell him. The third one. 你下班了，我们就去酒吧. We're going to bar. This action will happen after you finish the work. The last example. 你放假了，我们就去旅行. Means when you are on vacation, we were going on a trip. Okay, now let's make a summary. Today we have learned how to say I go to cinema after work with the structure subject plus verb了 blah blah 就 verb 2 blah blah. There are two different situations. One is with only one subject. The other situation is there are two subjects in the sentence, okay? Please use these structures to make sentences in your daily life. Hope this class can help your Chinese learning. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.